That's what you teach for, is those that will become better than you. I'm actually an old farmer, but during one of the wheat harvests, we couldn't get enough people to work on the air conditioners on the combine. My brother understood there was an air conditioning program on the West Campus. Finished that program, started on my master's at WT. Been in the habit of taking classes. I have an EDD from Texas Tech and A&M. I've been very lucky to have the education that I've received, to be exposed to all the areas and at the same time learn the psychology behind learning. Generally, educated people don't go find something greasy to work on. I like to fix things. I find reward in things running and operating, completing a project, making something whole again. I'm seeing what's the latest, what's on the counter, what's the new equipment, what are people buying. We have a philosophy across the board that if they don't put their finger on it, if they don't run their finger down the wire, if they don't see it happen, if they don't turn the screwdriver and learn how tight it's tight, it's not going to happen. You'll find us there till midnight several times. You're rewarded when your students do better than you. When they become better than you at anything you do or in application, it's not what they come in with. They're coming to learn, and we'll address that at any level, but it's perseverance. We're all pretty big saps, and we keep going and we keep trying, and students do make it.